ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka Cot Admission nakamta ka Nursing but Paramedical Course, ka bala itho da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka Buy Admission ka Badunatam, but she's pa percent ka Jingyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Hakajing persyang ban penklan ya kajing don ki Samla ka jala ban pau syakman ke Sorkar jala kalas dang ya ka scheme CM Inspire ka bamut ban ai jing Kyrshan ya ki Samla ki ba penkre ban ya khun ha ki Eksam Union Public Service Commission UPSC. Habapan banai kini kajing temu ukonrat kia sangma umentri rangba ka jala ulapan pau ya kajing don kamban wanra jing kala namar kajing hiar ha kajing mi khmat ki Samla trai muluk ha ki Indian Civil Services. Haka CM Inspire, ka Sorkar kan ay 10,000 tingka siya kipapas ya ka UPSC Civil Services Preliminary Examination but kipapas ya ka Mains Examination pat silak tingka. Kani kajing temu ka long ban Pynbna ya kajing kit kabakya haka liang ka Pisa tingka, kabaki kertong kibakwa Ïaleh Eksam kia kendo. Ki Samla kila ban apply ya kani ka scheme Lyngba ka portal jong ka Meghalaya Administrative Training Institute Mati andalapli ya ki application.
My dear young aspirants of Meghalaya, today marks an important step in supporting the dreams of our youth. For many years, our representation in the civil services has declined, and Meghalaya has not seen an indigenous candidate enter the IAS since 2013. Today, we take a decisive step to change that with the launch of CM Inspire. Through this scheme, candidates who clear the prelims will receive 50,000 rupees and those who clear the mains will receive 1 lakh rupees, helping reduce the financial burden of preparation. This initiative is designed to empower meritorious candidates and encourage our youth to aim higher and serve the nation with dedication and pride. I encourage all eligible aspirants to apply through the Meghalaya Administrative Training Institute portal when applications open. To our young aspirants, believe in yourself. Stay committed to your goals and know that the government stands firmly with you on this journey. Kublai, Mathela and Jai Hind.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishab plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la ikan diat bada ka bathau bha kam kata ikadur jingki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi panai kita.
Kadon ka we kajing mentoy bakongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha kajing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lyngba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.